I'm sick. Great time to start, but what other time to start than now? So, do you ever feel like no matter how much money you make, it's gone before you even realize it? Bills, takeout, subscriptions, and suddenly your paycheck is vanished. If that's you, you are not alone. Most people don't actually need more money to feel secure. They just need a system. And today I'm going to show you how to finally start budgeting in a way that actually sticks. When my husband and I were dirt poor, creating a simple budget was the thing that completely changed our lives. Sorry, I am sick. We didn't become rich overnight, but we stopped drowning. We finally felt in control. And that's why I created a step-by-step ebook and worksheets to guide beginners through this exact process. The same system that helped us climb out of survival mode.
I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't girl, you look so nice, being unnice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you.
First, you need to know exactly what's coming in and what's going out. Whether you're paid monthly, weekly, or even daily cash in hand like we were, you have to track your income and your bills. Next, you track your spending for 30 days. Don't overthink it, just write it down. Notebook, calendar, or app, it doesn't matter. This isn't about shaming yourself, it's about awareness. I use a combination of both. I have notebooks, I also have my iPad, and I use GoodNotes app. Third, trim the fat. You don't have to cut out everything, just start with the obvious things like subscriptions you forgot about or eating out a little too much. Fourth, start building an emergency fund. Even $500 can change everything when your car battery dies or a surprise bill pops up. And last, give yourself wiggle room. This is where most budgets fail. You need guilt-free spending money. Otherwise, you'll burn out and quit. And that was always my problem. I would burn out, get a little messed up, and just quit. My budget system and the way we've been budgeting for years, I'm not an expert, but this just works for us. This has helped us come out of poverty, okay? You need wiggle room. You need spending money. You need some leeway. Now, all of this might sound simple, and it is, but keeping track of it, that's where most people get stuck. That's why I put together a complete beginner's ebook and a set of 24 printable worksheets and trackers. They're cute, fun, and easy to use. You can print them out, color them in, or even use the editable versions on your computer. They take all the guesswork out, just fill them in as you go. If you're serious about finally creating a budget that works for your lifestyle, grab the bundle in the link below. It includes the ebook that explains everything step by step, plus all 24 worksheets that you can start right away. And even if you start messy, you're still starting. That's what matters. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more budgeting tips, easy saving hacks, and encouragement for anyone tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Remember, budgeting is freedom, not punishment. Progress, not perfection. You've got this.